Is it blinking? Nope. Yep.
Yep.
All right, we're good.
Here we go. Let's move it. Where you guys want to go?
I don't know. Where have they defended so far?
Like right at the bottom of this hill.
Ready more? Yo, put your goggles on. You don't want to get sniped in the face.
I can't see if I put them on. They fog up instantly.
Really?
So I only put them up if I get shot at. Last time they were right there last time.
Like right here? All right. Guys, I think I hear them talking. Like that way.
Oh, yeah, I see him. They're like my one.
Who?
I don't know, I just see his body. We can move up.
You never know. Yo, hold up. There's one guy, he's going that way. Alright, hold on. Okay. I saw one guy walking up that way, alright? So I have a feeling most of them are right here and he's just going to be on the side flanking and there's probably going to be someone over there flanking too. So what I say we do is we just not get them distracted, but, you know, draw their fire over here. So then hopefully that flanker will think it's time to sneak up on us, but we'll be waiting for him, okay? So let's get, we need to even this out. We need...
Stay back.
Alright, but we have too many... We're too split, you know what I mean? Like, that kid over there playing with the M4, I don't really trust... we can't have just, like, you know, two people over there coming and then two people. And we need to, like... Alright.
Get up there, because they're moving around right now.
Only one I saw, though. Only one. Alright, guys, here's the plan. Here's the plan. I saw one guy One guy going that way, walking this way. So I have a feeling is that most of them are over here. That's one flanker. They could have two going that way, or they could have one and one. I have a feeling one and one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to distract them this way. Not distract them, but draw their fire so that they think we're trying to attack this way. This will make the flankers who are coming up on the side think that we're like going this way and we don't know they're there. So then they're gonna try to come around on the sides of us. What we're gonna have is like, you know, 2 people watching that direction, 2 people watching forward, and then 2 people watching this way, you know? But we're going to have to get a better position. This position's not the best. I mean, it's okay, but... Alright. Alright. So, let's get, you, come with me, and... Mark, you want to come with me? Or no, actually, no. Actually, fine. You and Schechter, come here. Come with me for a second. Eric! You and Mark stay here. I'll be right back, alright? Alright, guys, come here. Okay. Here's the deal. Pretty much you're only getting attacked on you can only get attacked on here from 2 possible ways. Over there you're covered because we're there. If we die, then obviously you know you're not safe from that direction. Are you out? You out yet? Are you done?
Yeah.
All right. 2.
Did I hit you? All right.
No, you didn't hit me at all. Where's Mike? Out. Out. Me? No.
So many people.
No. Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck is going on in that game. I got shot like 4 times when I did it.
Ah. Fuck, you got me like 8 times on the last one. Yeah.
I didn't know. I think it's 2.
No, I said 2 and then you got me 8 times on the last one.
Holy shit.
Dude, when you guys first lit up, the group of 3 people, I just laid down. I couldn't even move.
Yo, who got out from that?
Nobody.
I got
Are you fucking kidding me? That's fucking
No, I got someone out.
I
got him out. I think.
I was behind a tree.
I'm out. But all of a sudden, someone's running up. I'm like, no, I'm hit. I think I got him out.
I'm sitting with my back to a tree, which is I guess why you guys didn't see me. And I'm like, oh, okay.
We saw you move. You were the first one we saw.
Oh.
And then we ran up.
I don't know. Oh, wait, no. I think I might have got him out. Is he in?
Oh God, it hurts! Oh, I'm down! Oh, God. Oh fuck! I'm still recording. You asswipe. I just realized. Oh, stop.
Where is he?
I don't fucking. I'm fucking dead. This isn't fair. Mike, I'm moving. Matt, don't shoot me. I'm getting out of here. Get off me, you asshole. Fuck. Fuck, man. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording now.